Right. So we will continue to the side in similar shape. Yeah. So previously, we already solved the questions about the similar triangles as well as the similar rectangles. Now we will continue, yeah, with conclusions, yeah. So if we have the similar shape like this, yeah, so this is what we call as quadrilateral because it has four sides, yeah, four side polygons. Four side polygon is called quadrilateral, yeah. So here, because they are similar and therefore the matching sides are in the same ratio. For example, the AD, yeah, the ratio of AD and EH, yeah, DA, in this case it's DA, yeah. DA and HE is 2 and 1. Yeah, 2 and 1. And therefore, DC and HG is also 2 and 1. Yeah, it is 2 and 1. The ratio, yeah, I'm talking about the ratio. Yeah, the ratio is also the same. Yeah, because it is similar shape. Yeah. Okay, later on, yeah, we can say this as the scale factor. Yeah. What is the scale factor? Look at the question number, work example number 1, and then this one, yeah, for number 3. You can see here that the ratio of the matching sides are all the same, 3, 3, 3. And later on, 3 is called the scale factor. Okay, right? The scale factor. Likewise for this one, yeah. For this one, this quadrilateral. So let me clean this one. And this quadrilateral have the scale factor of 2. And the scale factor of this is 2. Why? Because 4 divided by 2, yeah, is 2. Or the ratio of the corresponding side is 2. Okay. Let's take a look at the example. Yeah, we are given the quadrilateral. Quadrilaterals is the polygon with 4 sides. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have the smaller quadrilateral and then the larger quadrilateral. Yeah. So let's say that this small, yeah, quadrilateral is the original quadrilateral, yeah, the original one, yeah. And this one is the image, yeah, the final image, yeah. So look at the corresponding sides. The side of NP 3, the side of QT 9. So the ratio is 3. Are you okay with this? Are you okay with this? 3 and 9 has this ratio of 3. And then look at the sides MN. MN correspond to QR. What is the ratio of QR and MN? It is also 3.
3.
It is also 3 because 18 divided by 6 is 3. And look at this one. 12. RS 12 and NO is 4. What is the ratio of RS and NO?
3.
It is also 3. And therefore, later on, 3 is called the scale factor. Yeah, the scale factor. Okay. Right. So let's now we see how we can use the scale factor to find the area and the volume of the figures. First, let's look at the area. Yeah, the area here. So let's say that this is the original triangle, and we want to find the area of the finals. Yeah, the finals. Okay, original, the final. So let me firstly ask, what is the area of the triangle ABC? I will ask to Zaskia. Zaskia, can you find the area of triangle ABC? Zaskia?
Yes, please.
Can you find the area of triangle ABC?
Three.
Sorry? Do you remember the formula of the area of a triangle?
1/2.
1/2 or a half?
Time base.
Times base. What is the base here?
3.
3. Okay, good. And then times?
4.
4. Okay, what is 4?
8.
The height, yeah? 4 is the height. Okay, so how much is this? You can simplify, right? So it is 6. Yes, okay. 6. Right, now we would like to find the area of the final, yeah, using the formula. Yeah. So let's see the area of the final using the formula. Area of the final is a half of, I will ask to, Zaskia, can you just continue? A half of?
Times 15.
Mm-hmm.
Times 20.
Okay, how much is this?
Wait, please. 140.
140,
40.
right?
50.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. 150 square meter. Yeah, don't forget we have the unit here is a meter, so it is a square meter. All right. So students, now I would like to teach you one more way to solve this. Yeah, because we have the original and then also we have the finals. So let's now we find the scale factor. The scale factor. Because it is the image, yeah, or the similar figures, and therefore we can just take one of the sides. Yeah, let's say I'm going to take 20. Yeah, the 20. Yeah, so the length of EF, yeah, EF over, yeah, so I'm going to take this one. If it is EF correspond to BC, right? BC, yeah. So it is correspond to BC. I will say BC. So EF is 20, BC is 4, so it is 5. So the scale factor is 5. Then we can find the area of the final using the scale factor. Yeah. So the area of triangle DEF is the square of the scale factor 5 square multiplied by the area of the original. The area of the original is 6. Okay, so it is 25 multiplied by 6. How much is 25 multiplied by 6? It is also 150 square meters. Okay. So now with the scale factor, you can find the area of the final. Yeah, the final after transform. Yeah, so this original triangle is getting bigger, means it is increase. Yeah, it is what do we call enlarge? Yeah, enlargement. So it's enlarged with the scale factor of 5. Yeah, and therefore the area is the square of the the scale factor multiplied by the area of the original. Okay. Now let's take a look at the example here. Okay. These two rectangles are similar. Okay, this is the point. They are similar. Okay, because if they are similar, so it has the scale factor. Okay. The smaller rectangle has area of 35 square meters. Okay, let me now write 35 square meter. So which I will take maybe the colors of white so that it will be clearly seen. 35. 35. Yeah. So the area of the smaller rectangle is 35. So how can we find the area of the larger rectangles? If you are using the formula, so you need this one, right? The length of this size, isn't it? But it is not given. It is not given. And therefore, yeah, because it is not given, we cannot, I believe that the easiest way to do this is using the scale factor because they are similar. Yeah, so let's take a look at the scale factor. I will ask the student here, Nashua. Nashua, can you help me to find the scale factor of this? Oh, sayang. What is the scale factor, Nashua?
It's 4.
Sorry?
Because the scale factor is 4.
How do you get 4?
Because 28 centimeter over 7 centimeter, and it equals 4.
Okay, very good, Najwa. So this, not centimeter, so it's just scale factors have more units, yeah? Right. Thank you very much, Najwa. So can you just continue how to find the area of the larger rectangle? So it is?
It's, I think the missing side, the unknown side is 20 because the scale factor is 4.
Okay, but look, Najwa, let me help you that you have this formula now. The area of the final triangles can be found using the scale factor. What if we just use this formula?
Oh, so it's 4 square times 35.
Multiply by 35. Okay, nice. How much is this? 16 multiplied by 35. So how much is this?
Is it 590?
590.
19.
Are you sure?
Wait, miss, I'm not sure too.
Okay, I'm waiting. Take your time.
Is 560 miss.
Okay, 560 square centimeter, Nashwa. So, Nashwa, with the scale factor, we can find the area even if we don't know how much is the width of the rectangle. Yeah, so this is the width, yeah, the width of the rectangles. Yeah. Okay. Then please can you give me the thumbs up if you can find the area with the scale factor? Okay, I can see that one student here, Farah, already gave me the thumbs up. If you're still confused, you may ask. Please drop your question in the chat box. You can also ask me, Tiara, okay. And who else here? Talita, okay. Right, so I will be very happy if you can show me the thumbs up. Okay, Aprilia, Chit, Intan, very good, nice. Right, so I can see that mostly students can find the area with the scale factor. Don't forget that you need to take the square of the scale factor to find the area, right? Okay, what it is no, Chit Intan? First you say thumbs up and then you say no. Okay, all right. So let's now we move on to the volume. Yeah, we finish with the area. Yeah, don't forget the area we are taking the square of the scale factor. What about the volumes? Okay, Siti Rukaya. I will try to explain the volumes, yeah, using the by solving the questions. Here we have two solids, and this solid equals prism. Yeah, solid is three-dimensional figures. Yeah, three-dimensional figures that encloses parts of space. So the solid here provided is a prism. A prism. So what is the total surface area and the volumes of the larger prism? Okay. Firstly, let's find the original. So let's say that it is the original and it is the final. Okay, because we are going to do this with the scale factor. Yeah. So what is the total surface area of the original prism? Let me ask the student here. I can ask to whom ya? Talita Nur Iman. Talita, do you know what is the formula of total surface area?
What length? Wait. If I'm not wrong, it's length times width, and then plus length times height, and then plus width times height multiple by 2.
Good. Multiply by 2. Right. 2 times, yeah, the sum of the length and the width, the length and the height, the width and the height. All right. So let's now we figure this out. 2 times, yeah, here the length is 3. Yeah, so let's say that the length, 2, 3, and 5. Yeah, so let's identify the length is 2, the width is 3, and the height is 5. Okay, so 2 times 3 plus, yeah, 2 times 5 plus 3 times 5. So it is 2 times 6 plus 10 plus 15. Talita, can you please help me? What is it?
40.
So it is?
Wait.
Okay.
It's 62.
62. Okay. Right. Now, let's find the volumes. Kalista, again. Can you please help me with the formula of the volume of the prism?
Length times width times height.
Okay.
So 3 times 2 times 5 equal to 30.
30 cubic centimeters. Yeah. Don't forget this is square centimeters. Okay. After you find this, now let's find the scale factor. Okay, scale factor. Scale factor. The scale factor is, yeah, you can take the ratio of the small side from the final. Yeah, in this case is the length. It is 5. Yeah, and then here the length is 2, right? So it is 2.5. Okay, so the scale factor is 2.5. You can also take the width. The width is 7.5. And here the width is 3, right? So it is also will give you 2.5. Or you can also take 12.5, which is the height, with the height of 5. So it is also 2.5. One of them. Yeah, one of them is okay. Yeah, you can take the first, the second, or the third. Yeah, the length, the width, or the height. So it is the same. The scale factor is 2.5. Now, let me give you the total surface area of the final, yeah, of the final prism is the square of the ratio multiplied by 62. Kalita, can you please help me to find this? And then the volume is the cubic of the scale factor multiplied by 30. Okay, again, can you please give me the numbers? How much is this?
The first one is 387.5.
Square centimeters. What about this one?
158.7. 58.7
158.7
centimeter.
cubic centimeters. Right? Okay. Good. Is there any objection? Sorry, this is not 2.3, yeah, but 2.5. Now I figure this out, yeah. Why 2.3? Yeah, 2.5, yeah, Talita. Did you find 2.3 or 2.5?
The answer is supposed to be 187 point.
Yeah, because 2.5 cubic. So let me try to fix this up because my mistake. Yeah, I was writing 2.3. Sorry, yeah, for this one. So it should be 15.600. No, 15.625. We don't say 625. Yeah, after decimal digit. After decimal point. So, but we say 625. Yeah, 15.625 multiplied by 30. So how much is this? It is 468.75 cubic centimeters. Yeah. So I will. Yeah. So are you okay with this? So we can find the total surface area and also the volumes using the scale factor. Yeah. So 468.75 cubic centimeters. So like this. Okay. So if you are finding the area, then this is the idea. This is the concept. You are taking the square of the scale factor. If you are finding the volume, so you are taking the cubic of the scale factor. Yeah. If it is area, the square of the scale factor. If it is the volume, the cubic of the scale factor. Okay, students, let's now we go back to our to Intan, why you are still pressing no? Do you have any question? Okay, I think she doesn't realize it unintentionally. Okay, so let's go back to this. Yeah, so by after the end of the lesson, so all students should be able to find the unknown length in the similar figures. Yes or no? Thumb ups. Yes, I can see mostly you are thumb ups. Okay, all students, yeah, means all. Yeah. And then most students should be able to use the relationship between size and the area of similar figure to find the missing value. Yes or no? One. How many percent? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Good. Some students should be able to recognize similar solids and calculate the volumes and surface area of similar solids. Okay. Right. So 3 objectives of today. So alhamdulillah, the mission is accomplished. Yeah. I will stop share. And then see you again tomorrow, inshallah. I will take attendance. Let's call it a day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.